Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hazrat Ali alayhi salam has narrated that the noble Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whoever confers on 100 blessing upon me on Friday will be accompanied by such light on the day of judgment that it would suffice the whole creation were it to be distributed among them." It is narrated on the authority of Sayyidina Sahil bin Abdullah, the whoever confers the following blessing 80 times after Salah on Friday will be 80 years of his sin forgive. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin Nabi al-Ummi wa ala alihi wasallam. O Allah, confer blessing upon Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his family and confer solutions. Allama Sakhawi, may Allah have mercy on him, narrates elsewhere on the authority of Sayyidina Anas that the noble Prophet ﷺ said, "Whoever confers blessing upon me one that subsequently accepted 80 years of his sins are forgive." Allama Shami, may Allah have mercy on him, has discussed at length whether blessing on the noble Prophet ﷺ are always accepted or not. Sheikh Abu Sulaiman Darani, may Allah have mercy on him, is reported to have said that act of worship have the possibility of being either accepted or rejected. Whoever blessing upon the noble Prophet ﷺ are always accepted. Other Sufis also mentioned that same point. Ya Rabbi salli wa sallam daiman abada ala habibika khairi khalki kullihimi.